Hello everyone, I'm Swati from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. I'm here to talk about the difference between paper and plastic bags. Let's settle the debate over why we should use paper bags instead of plastic bags for once and all. And guess what? They all have the reasons why they choose paper bags. Paper bags, as the name suggests, they are made up of paper, the raw materials for which it is collected by cutting the trees, right? Then why we should use the paper bags instead of plastic bags? When we know that choosing between deforestation and environmental contamination is almost the same, to put it in much needed sacritical way, why choose polluted air when we have the microbes in our food and water? The argument has all the sanity and reasonables of the world, however, a little bit of misinformation too. Hence, a settlement is of vital importance for both understanding the reasons behind why we use paper bags and for promoting its widespread adoption. Speaking about plastic bags, I may say the 13 reasons why we should say no to plastics. They pollute our land and water and they contribute to climate change. Using a lot of energy, plastic bags do not degrade. The truth is that plastic bags made using petroleum never degrade. They are toxic. Polythene bags are full of harmful and toxic chemicals that include estrogen like substances and they harm the wildlife. Marine wildlife such as fish and sea turtles cannot differentiate between the poly bags and their food. Hence, consuming them, consumption of plastic can congest their digestive system, leading to health infection or even suffocation. Harmful to human life. Polythene bags have some pollutants such as PCB and PAH. In addition, people consume all these harmful chemicals during their production, leading to development of cancers and any other severe problems. Expensive and difficult to clean. They include external costs. They are getting consumed in a high volume. Not easy to recycle. One of the biggest challenges of polybags faces recycling. Recycling facilities simply disapprove of polybags simply due to their incapability of recycling plastic bags. The actual polybags recycling rate is around only 5%. Consumers own recycle plastic bags. The only current way to dispose the poly bag is to recycle them. But unfortunately, according to the latest report, only 12% of plastic bags are only recycled. They are disposable rather than being reusable. The structure of plastic bags makes them more disposable and reusable. There are some of them available which people can reuse a few times or a couple of times, but most of them get toasted immediately. 88% of the pollution disposed of polythene bags are incorrectly abandoned and only 12% of them are recycled according to EPA. To everyone's surprise, the source is also eco-friendly. Eco-friendliness is the new cool and so are paper bags. Paper bags are non-toxic while plastics are carcinogenic. Paper bags don't choke the oceans and paper bags are completely biodegradable and they can utilize the great urban waste. And paper bags are reusable and recyclable and it is emission free, strong, fashionable and frankly speaking, its design makes more sense. After speaking of the arguments between the plastic and paper bags, we came to the control because both have advantages and disadvantages, which is offering an adverse impact on all over environment. Moreover, if we can consider any other option other than these, then the cloth bag is so perfect.